Nearly 300 years ago, in the foothills of French Alps, Mathieu Teisseire was so inspired by the taste of rich and juicy cherries, or they call it CHERRIES in French, that he created a liqueur that truly captured the rich flavor of the fruit. Committed to deliver the finest quality, they only use the purest, naturally filtered water from the French Alps. Mathieu Teisseire's passion of concentrating flavor is the inspiration of what has become the #1 best-selling syrup of France. With over 300 years of true flavors, Mathieu Teisseire's syrups have elevated flavors of endless cups of coffee, tea, cocktails and mocktails of every kind. And today, let me show you a simple cocktail with the first syrup that was made by Mathieu Teisseire. So the name of my cocktail is the Cherished Cherry, by using the first syrup that was created by Mathieu Teisseire. All you need is a cocktail shaker, 10 ml of lime juice, 50 ml of orange juice, 20 ml of the Mathieu Teisseire cherry syrup, and 50 ml of your favorite vodka. We'll shake it up with some ice and double strain in a coupe glass. And garnish it with, of course, some cherries. And here you go, the Cherished Cherry.